Hey y'all, as you can see, I'm all dressed up in my biking stuff. I'm about to take a ride, but I had a thought about our money that I wanted to share. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chane Carter. I am a financial educator and also the founder of Empower Financial Planning. So the thought that I had on the way to my biking play date is how important accountability is to helping us overcome our fear. So for some of you, you are afraid of the mistakes that you might make with money. You are concerned about the things you don't know. You are fearful that you might do the wrong thing related to money. I was all ready to not do anything today, not go anywhere, not talk to anybody. That was my plan for today. And one of my biking friends called and said, let's go on a bike ride. Now, in my mind, I really just want to stay in my bed because that's where I'm happy. But that's not the best thing for my biking goals, right? Like I'm trying to do different rides and be able to last longer and go further. So I have to train, like I have to go when people are going because that's makes me better. It's the same thing with our money. If we're not talking about it with people, if we're not engaging with people, if we are not standing up and talking about our struggles and our fears related to our money, we're not going to get any better. I know I make everything be about biking, but that's because it is the scariest, most unfamiliar thing that I have done in a very long time. And I think some of you feel the same way about money. So 2 things. First, find someone to hold you accountable. A group like this is great, but we don't know you. So maybe find someone who can actually know you and hold you accountable to your financial goals. Find someone, a partner, a friend, a child or a parent that you can say things to honestly and transparently and have them say, girl, don't do that. You know that's not a good idea. Have someone, find someone, make someone an accountability partner for you. I found a group that is holding me accountable to my goals, and whether they're financial or whether they're related to staying upright on a bike, it is a critical thing to have someone or some people holding you accountable. The second thing is talk to someone about your fears. I have told these people extensively how afraid I am of falling, of going too far and not being able to get back, of not being able to keep up, of not knowing what equipment to have. All these things I am afraid of and concerned about and worry me to death related to biking. It may be the same for you related to your money. You may have fears that you are not talking about. Maybe you don't think you've saved enough for retirement. Maybe you don't have anything saved for your college, your child's college, or your grandchild's college. Maybe you're not able to buy a house. It's time to not be afraid and to say those things. There are people and places and resources that can help you, but what is it our parents say? A closed mouth doesn't get fed. If you don't say something, nobody can help you. So 2 things, accountability, find someone or some way to hold yourself accountable and talk about your fears. Find a group, find people, find some way to outlet the things that you're afraid of related to your financial situation so that you can get better. It's literally the only way you get better is if you face those fears about your finances and hold yourself accountable for them. So that was a little bit about a lot. I just wanted to let you know that I am rooting for you guys. I think that your financial goals are totally attainable. I hope you find people to hold you accountable to them. So if you would click like and share on this video, it would help me a lot. I'm about to go ride a bike. Y'all take care.